we're back with this
now
42-year-old and this 12-year-old.
is we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our angel hair.
Okay, so I have a
Our
question.
angel hair, because we're going to go ahead and do our angel hair and stuff
Do
like
you
that
just stick it
together.
right in like that, or do you break it?
Honey, I'm giving out instructions.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is something that we can do together.
No, don't break.
Angel hair. Girl, I'm gonna break all this now.
Italians don't.
But we ain't Italian, so. Well, we ain't
Is
Italian.
it on?
Not yet.
We're not Italian, so we're not gonna do that.
So what we're gonna do is go out here, get that on.
Okay.
Break that up. We need a lot of different strands. We need a lot of hair. We need a lot of hair in there.
It's really called angel hair?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, it's called angel hair. Yeah.
Oh. Go back.
I'm just in the middle, okay?
Hmm?
I'm just in the middle, okay?
Do that right there.
Okay, good thing it's not on, because you would have burnt your fingers if it was. Saltine. That's good. That's good.
That's gonna help them soak up the flavor.
Yeah, suck up the flavor. Good.
Chloe, what do you do to saute your meat or season your meat? Do you season your meat when you cook spaghetti?
Yes.
She seasons
What do you
her
season
meat.
with?
I forgot what it's called. It's like, I don't
Camera, honey.
Parmesan.
like salt, some like garlic and more.
So you
And
got
pepper.
some garlic powder right here.
Yeah.
You got garlic powder. You say you got salt. And what else?
Pepper.
Pepper.
And
Okay.
it's this other sauce. I mean, seasoning. I forgot.
Parmesan.
What? Red salt?